This is a 2010 Honda Civic. This car has a 5-speed automatic transmission, an inline 4-cylinder engine, and a clean, non-smoker interior. Its top features include a sunroof, a multi-link rear suspension, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning, a pass-through rear seat, cruise control, a CD player, a passenger side vanity mirror, front and rear floor mats, a passenger side airbag, rear seat child-proof door locks, full power accessories, and this vehicle has less than 42,000 miles. Contact us today to arrange your test drive.
Thank you for considering Doral Hyundai for your next vehicle. If you have any questions, please visit our website, give us a call, or stop by our dealership located at 10285 Northwest 12th Street in Doral.